Alright, welcome everybody to the farm, and here the way we put better nutrient for the crop. Look at this. We are having the compost fertilizer we mixed with the water. That compost we got from the leftover food from the kitchen, maybe some vegetable or some rice and others. We just compost them over months, and then we got very good nutrient for other plants. Here's very natural way to do. So we just get in that bucket, and then we got the water down there. The father just put that compost liquid into the water. He mixed around, and then he tipped to other basket, and then he started to carry over to the place that he need to apply it. Actually, this is very long or very hard work process, but here's what we've been doing since long years ago, because we concern very much about the health. We want everyone to eat this crop to get very healthy. You need to carry very long way, maybe almost 100 meters from the place that he picked up the water. But here you go, he got to the place and he started to apply it in one of that in each plant. He has to make some kind of very special style that with the soil, that the soil can stop the water. That means all the nutrient will stay in that area. Then the root of the plant will absorb to make the plant happy. Of course, when the plant get this nutrient, the plant feel like, you just imagine yourself when you eat the Christmas turkey. That's so delicious, right? Very nice dinner. The plant feel the same. They got very happy, they enjoy, they smile, they clap the hand. So they really enjoy of this nutrient. This is very natural way. It doesn't affect to the health at all. Very nice. He has to apply to every. Oh, we got some fruit down there. That's beautiful. And not just one of that, we got a lot of them, but I did not capture the whole lot. That's on time for them to harvest slowly every day. So it takes around more than a month, maybe almost 2 months to collect everything. So slowly every day he need to pick up the fruit from there every day and then sell to the market. Then the day after, the fruit will getting bigger, then cut. The next day bigger, cut. The next day bigger, cut. Yep. So the father finished. He has to go back to the water resource that he could collect more water to apply it on the plant. You see that. Oh, he just take the wheat of the crop. So yeah, he need to walk very long distance to get there. Yeah, he's pick up very like that. He pick up the nutrient. He's like, I'm sorry what to say this. He pick up the bucket of his compost fertilizer. Yeah, he goes straight to the place we got the water. And yep, he jump in. Yeah, do not jump. Yeah. Oh no, he not jump. Then yep, he collect water. Actually, water that not that steep, but okay. He tried to tip over, but this fell. Right, I helped him. Okay, whatever, he has to find his own technique. I know that a bit too heavy for him, but yeah, he got there. Right. He said not enough. Put more. Okay. Right. we need to go through again to his own place. Yep, he got that. He started to do overs and overs again till he finished his job for today. Alright, I think you may understand his concept, you may understand what we are doing. Thank you very much. Hopefully this is one of your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe if you think this is one of your favorite. Thank you very much. Hope to see you next time. Right, let's say bye.